Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a shake to reveal feature to your Instagram story. Let's get started. First, open your Instagram app. Once you are in, then tap on your profile. From your profile, tap on the plus icon at the top, and then tap on Story. After that, click on the camera at the top, and then click on the double A icon. Next, tap on the sticker icon at the top. Search for the frames sticker or find it in the section and tap on it. Choose a photo you'd like to use. You'll see it added to a Polaroid frame. You can add a short caption, like test. Once done, tap on Done at the top. Now, publish your story. After it uploads, open your story. Once you are in, now, when you shake your phone or tap on the Polaroid, the photo will be revealed. I hope you found this video useful. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.